How to buy iTunes gift cards online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to buy iTunes gift card online, so here's what you need to do. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for www.apple.com. So once you're inside here, you should land on this page after searching for apple.com, that is the official website of apple.com. Once you're inside here, simply click on the search bar and simply search in for iTunes gift card. So let me quickly search it for that. So once you're searching, hit the enter on your keyboard and simply click on this buy button over here, which will automatically show you and take you to this page. So how would you like to send it? If you want to send it via mail or email, so I'll just simply select email, and you can also choose a design. So just choose a design of your choice, and here you can simply enter your amount of how much you want to choose. So I'll choose 100. If you want more than that, you can also simply type in the amount over here as well. So it's on your choice, and once you do that, just type in the recipient name, who you want to send it to. So just enter their name and their email address, and who is it from, like your name and your email address as well. And once you enter your address, you can also try to add a personalized message if you want, and you can also choose the no message option over here and simply click on this add to bag button over here. And as you can see, it has shown that it usually arrives in 1 hour. So make sure you fill up your details correctly, and once you're inside this page, you can simply head out to the checkout option over here and wait for a few seconds. So if you don't have an Apple ID account, you don't worry, you can simply continue as a guest from over here. And once you click on it, finally you will be redirected to this page. So here you just have to choose the method of the payment method. So let me just quickly select the credit or debit card option over here, and here basically you just have to enter your card details like expiration date, CVV number, billing address, your first name, last name, street address, zip code, city or state, and your contact information like email or phone number. So once you do all of that, and once you click on this continue to review, you should be able to buy iTunes gift card successfully online. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.